Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 27th August. Let's start. In the year of 1781 on this day, Hyder Ali fought the Battle of Pollilur against the British Army. In the year of 1859 on this day, Dorabji Tata, the great industrialist of the country was born. He was the one who laid the foundation of Tata Steel. In the year of 1870 on this day, the labor union was founded on this day. It was the first trade union in India. In the year of 1908 on this day, Sir George Bradman, the greatest cricketer of the century, was born. In the year of 1939 on this day, the world's first jet-engined aircraft took off from Germany. In the year of 1950 on this day, the BBC broadcast live for the first time in the history of the world of television. In the year of 1963 on this day, Inayatullah Khan Masriki, the father of the Khaksar movement and the man who played an important role in the creation of Pakistan, passed away. In the year of 1972 on this day, Indian professional wrestler and lifter Dalip Singh Rana was born. He is popularly known as the Great Khali. In the year of 1976 on this day, Major General G. Ali Ram, the first woman of Indian Armed Forces, was appointed as the Director of the Military Nursing Service. In the year of 1979 on this day, Lord Mountbatten died. He was the last Viceroy of India. In the year of 1980 on this day, Chun Do-hwan was elected President of South Korea. In the year of 1982 on this day, Anandamayi Ma passed away. She was a great social worker as well as a spiritual teacher. In the year of 1985 on this day, Major General Muhammad Buhari's government was overthrown in the military revolution in Nigeria. General Ibrahim Babangida became the new military ruler. In the year of 1991 on this day, Moldova declared independence from the Soviet Union. In the year of 1999 on this day, Sonali Banerjee became India's first woman marine engineer. In the year of 1999 on this day, Pakistani prisoners of war held by India during the Kargil conflict were released. In the year of 2003 on this day, after a gap of 60,000 years, Mars came closest to Earth. In the year of 2008 on this day, retired Supreme Court Judge A.K. Mathur was made the first chairman of the Armed Forces Tribunal. In the year of 2013 on this day, one of the infamous riots of Uttar Pradesh, Muzaffarnagar riots, broke out. In the year of 2018 on this day, Neeraj Chopra of India won the gold medal in the men's javelin throw event of the Jakarta Asian Games. In the year of 2018 on this day, SpiceJet, a low-cost airline, conducted the country's first biojet fuel-powered test flight. In the year of 2020 on this day, the Union Ministry of Commerce and Industry had launched the National GIS-enabled Land Bank system to provide real-time information on the availability of industrial land to investors. The project was initially launched for 6 states and would later be extended to other states and union territories by the end of 2020. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Union Civil Aviation Ministry had approved 78 new routes under the fourth round of the Regional Connectivity Scheme Udan Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagrik to further boost connectivity in remote areas of India. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Arunachal Pradesh State Assembly had passed a resolution to bring the state under the sixth schedule of the Constitution. Article 371H was also amended in the proposal to include provisions for the protection of the tribes of the state. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.